Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat kale once a week? Welcome to a journey of green discovery, where we unlock the secrets of this leafy superfood. Kale, a member of the cabbage family, is more than just a trendy addition to your salad or smoothie. It's a nutrient powerhouse packed with vitamins A, K, C, and B6, alongside minerals like manganese, calcium, copper, potassium, and magnesium. Why are we talking about kale? Well, it's simple. This humble vegetable holds the potential to transform your health in ways you might not have imagined. Eating kale just once a week can have far-reaching effects on your body, from boosting immunity to enhancing your vision, and even fighting off certain types of cancer. In a world where health is wealth, understanding the impact of what we consume is crucial. So, are you ready to embrace the power of kale? Stay tuned as we delve into the world of kale and its transformative effects on your body. Before we dive into the effects of kale on your body, let's understand the science behind this superfood. Kale, often hailed as a superfood, is packed with an impressive array of nutrients. Firstly, it's a powerhouse of vitamins A, K, and C. Vitamin A is essential for vision and immune function, while vitamin K plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C, on the other hand, is vital for skin health and immunity. Kale does not stop there. It's also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and can help control blood sugar levels. Additionally, it's teeming with antioxidants, known for their ability to combat harmful free radicals in the body. But that's not all. Kale also boasts a wealth of other essential nutrients, including calcium for strong bones and teeth, and iron, critical for the production of red blood cells. With such a nutrient-dense profile, it's no wonder kale can have significant effects on your body. Let's explore these effects next. Now that you see why kale is considered a superfood, let's explore what happens when you introduce this leafy green into your diet once a week. First off, kale is a godsend for your digestive system. It's packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Now, let's talk about your heart. Kale contains heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Your eyes will thank you too. Kale is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that have been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Strengthening your bones is another perk. Kale provides a good amount of vitamin K, crucial for bone health and blood clotting. If you're after radiant skin, kale can help. Its high vitamin C content aids in collagen production for supple skin. And yes, it can contribute to weight loss too. It's low in calories and high in water content, making it a great choice for those aiming to shed some pounds. As you can see, simply adding kale to your diet once a week can have a multitude of positive effects on your body. So, we've explored the science behind kale and its potential health benefits. But how can you start incorporating this superfood into your diet? Well, the good news is that kale is incredibly versatile. You could start by adding a handful to your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Or perhaps toss some in your lunchtime salad, adding a delightful crunch and a boost of fiber. For dinner, try sautéing kale in a stir-fry. It adds a hearty texture and pairs well with a wide array of ingredients. But remember, while kale is a powerhouse of nutrients, it's not the be-all and end-all. It's important to maintain a balanced diet, incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains. Kale should be seen as a part of your diet, not the entirety of it. Remember, adding kale to your diet once a week might just lead to a healthier, happier you. So why not give it a try? You might just find yourself falling in love with this leafy green superfood.